Hi guys, now I want to show you this Fuego television that's run on power supply 220 to 240 volts, 50 hertz, 190 watts. So I found this in a corner. It was scrapped. So I will take the power supply inside and some electronic parts. Let's open up. So guys, look what we have here. We have this power supply with all those components, electrolytic capacitors, bipolar capacitors, diodes, resistors. Be careful when touching stuff here. We have some capacitors here, but those two are puffed. You can see they are pregnant, so we don't need them, but we can use them for fun project on electronic as a blower, capacitive blower. You can see here even chokes. This huge ferrite core transformer. Well, let's see here is 150 microfarad, 450 volts. We can see here this bridge rectifier, guys. Those capacitors, high voltage capacitors, 1 or 2 kilovolts. Even those capacitors here, you can see 1 micro, 450 volts. Even this, so you can use them for capacitive dropper LED light projects. This is a choke. This is a ferrite core transformer, regulators, transistors, diodes, power resistors, optocouplers. You have here SMDs. You have this board with SMD. This is used as a cooler. You can see here is with copper to radiate the heat. We have here the high voltage transformer, ferrite core high voltage transformer. So this have also SMDs underneath this board. Let me open this here. So guys, look how big those transformers are. 3 fingers. Here you can see some capacitors, but you can use those lovely high voltage ferrite transformers for your high voltage projects. I have 4 here, so I will use it in another project. Well guys, that was what's inside this TV. They are inside even the lamps, but I will not make a video about the tubes that are inside. Well guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys, stay safe.